Standing tall on the pillars of technology and talent, India, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is leading the 21st century's digital revolution. Uttar Pradesh, also known as the IT hub of North India, led by CM Yogi Adityanath, is also rapidly moving towards industrialization through several policy initiatives taken by the government. Some of the provisions of UP's IT policy are capital subsidy, operating expense subsidy, rebate on land, interest subsidy, stamp duty exemption, grant on EPF for employment generation, recruitment assistance, incentives for certifications, patent filing cost reimbursement, benefits for expansion units, incentives on a case-to-case basis, skill development, financial assistance towards development of IT park and IT cities, establishment of Center of Excellence, R&D centers and design centers, spending in mega projects such as airports, metro, expressways, dedicated freight corridors, IT parks and electronics manufacturing clusters. The state infrastructure has taken up an upward trajectory towards the $1 trillion economy. The state currently has operational IT parks in Noida, Meerut, Lucknow, Kanpur and Prayagraj. Another IT park in Agra will shortly become operational. 3 other parks are being developed in Varanasi, Bareilly and Gorakhpur. Noida is now emerging as a leading global data center hub. The UP data center policy thus far has achieved its 5-year targets within the first year of notification. Hence, the targets were revised from earlier rupees 20,000 crores and 250 megawatt to rupees 30,000 crores and 900 megawatt, owing to buoyant response from global community of investors. The data center policy of UP includes capital subsidy up to rupees 20 crores, land subsidy up to rupees 75 crores, interest subsidy up to rupees 50 crores, 100% stamp duty exemption, 100% electricity duty exemption, dual power grid supply. The policy also envisages to create world-class infrastructure in the form of Center of Excellence to promote research, innovation and entrepreneurship and startup culture in the data center industry. The location advantage, strong IT ecosystem, readily employable quality talent make UP a hot destination for investment. Welcome to the state of unlimited possibilities. Uttar Pradesh, the new India's growth engine.